Alright guys, gonna get this badge off of here. Just using a cheap heat gun. Just gonna set it on 1. You want to be careful with this thing because you can destroy stuff with it, so you just want to transfer some heat into there. It looks like this was repaired.
Really?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
There's like little chop marks in here if you move the light enough.
Yeah.
And not burn your finger.
Makes sense.
But I mean, it's pretty minor.
Yeah.
Whatever happened was pretty small. But I mean, that's probably why this is all goofed up.
Yeah.
Somebody slapped it on there the wrong way. And then even up here, it looks like there's a little mark between the emblem.
That almost looks like the same shit that was on everywhere else.
Yeah.
That glue.
It's a double-sided tape. Oh man, I can sell this on eBay now. What's really funny is like you use this stuff to put a molding on, and like 3 months later it'll fall off. It's like, if you try to take the molding off, it's like the glue is locked on there. Okay. It's like you can prep a car and paint it, and the paint will fail and delam.
Wow.
You can get overspray on a car and like you get like sand the stuff off of there. It's like, dude. Like, the surface wasn't even prepped, and it's just totally locked on there. Like at the shop, we have this big like rubber wheel that like buzzes it off of there.
Oh, nice.
And if you're real lucky, it rips the paint off.
Of course.
I mean, I've only seen that happen like maybe 5 times in 20 years, but it usually happens at the worst time, like on the nicest car.
Is the customer watching?
Yeah, exactly.
God.
Yep.
Fuck everything. We're gonna need to keep this another day.
Yeah, it looks like they put it on crooked.
Yeah, it was going uphill. Yeah.
Get her done.
Not a straight line on this. You know what? I wonder if the original one came chrome, because there was a lot of heavy chrome when these first came out.
That's possible.
And then a lot of
maybe all these have been.
Yeah, because I know the stingrays on the sides have been done, because I don't think they came in black.
Yeah.
In 14, anyways.
It's possible. Alright guys, got that stuff off of there. I'll bring you in. It's not, I think, like Matt was saying, maybe somebody debadged this thing before. If I can catch this in the light. And it almost looks like it's might have been painted, because there's like little curly cues. I mean, I'm probably not going to be able to pick it up with the camera, but it does look maybe some minor body work was done back here. But anyways, got most of it off there with the wax and grease, and then you might be able to see there is like a little bit of marring from that plastic razor blade. So this spot I'm probably going to hit it with, I've just picked up some of that M100 compound, but if you had Ultimate, I mean any kind of compound, Ultimate compound, whatever. So we'll probably just hit this area with compound real quick, and then we're going to polish the whole car anyways by hand. So, and that's kind of why I wanted to do this now. We'll get this out of the way, and then we're ready to wax it and just be done with it. And then the other thing too, I mean, just, I don't know, it's funny, Matt was like, man, this thing's really shiny, and it's like, yeah, that's how the clay works. I mean, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but you know, car looks pretty damn good, and all we did was wash and clay it. And then I think this lighting is actually pretty good to see how reflective it is. But yeah, so far so good. So like I said, maybe we'll hit that spot with some M100 first, and then we'll get into getting the rest of this polished out, get her waxed up. Alright guys, you probably really can't see this, but I'll show you anyways. So I got some M100 in one of the baller bottles. So we're just gonna work this spot out by hand. You know, anytime you're polishing or using a compound, you want to use some pressure. I think that's where a lot of people kind of mess up, doing stuff by hand, trying to rub something up. It's like you want to put some pressure on there. You're not applying wax, you want to get a little bit of pressure on there. That's pretty good, man. I never use this stuff. I pull all that stuff right out of there.
Cool.
Nice. Alright, give it one more. Not that you can see it, but there was some little bit of marring on there. Got all that out of there. So next step will be hitting this thing with some 205. Get that going.